Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hi children, today I am going to teach you 5 asanas which will help you in increasing your height. So, you sit on the floor. First of all, take your both the legs straight. First asana is Paschimottanasana, for which sit straight, keep legs straight without bending your knees, and take your both the hands up with point fingers. Hold both the toes in this manner, or if you can bend further, you can hold both the foot while breathe out. Touch your head to the knee. Be in the pose for at least half minute to 2 minutes a day. Is more than enough. This is Paschimottanasana. Right? But ensure that your stomach should be emptied first. Means downtime is the best for practicing any asana. So this is Paschimottanasana. Next, second one is same. Sit straight, lay down. We do Sarvangasana. Second one is Sarvangasana, for which lay down, keep both the hands besides to your legs, thighs rather. Slowly take your both the legs together up to 45, 60, 90 degrees. Then you stood in this manner. This is Sarvangasana. Be in the pose for at least half minute to 2 minutes a day. So, 2 asanas are over. The third one is Halasana. For practicing Halasana, lay down in the same manner as you did earlier. Now, take both the legs up 90 degrees. Then lift up to chest. Take both the legs back and rest on the foot on the floor. Remaining hands straight parallel, or you can hold your waist also. Back also you can give support if you want. Be in the pose for half minute to 2 minutes. After applying this pose, you can slowly breathe in, breathe out. Then come to the normal position. Yeah, third one is over. This is called Halasana. Next, fourth one is Chakrasana, for which Take both the legs nearer, join together, and keep both the hands besides in this manner. Your fingertips towards legs and lift the stomach up. Be in this pose half minute to 2 minutes. Then come down slowly. 4 asanas are completed. Then the last but not least asana is Tadasana. Whenever you would like to sit, take a turn left with the base of right hand, then left hand, then straight. Sit straight. Now the fifth asana, Tadasana, that is to be practiced in standing pose. Stand straight. Join both the ankles together. Keep a distance between toes at least 4 to 5 inches. Take your both the hands up. Interlock the fingers. Then tilt to ensure the palm should be towards the sky. Then lift ankles as well as hand together while breathe in. While breathe out, you will have to come down slowly. Once again, I will show you. You should be in the pose for half minute to 2 minutes a day. Stretch both the hands up. Be in the pose for 2 minutes a day. All these 5 pranayams are to be practiced. 2 minutes a day is enough to increase your height like anything. Now, after these 5 asanas, you should include 5 pranayama, means breathing exercises, for which sit straight on the floor. If you want, you can sit in, if you can rather, sit in Padmasana or Siddhasana or Sukhasana. This is Sukhasana. Simply by folding legs, if you sit straight, this is called Sukhasana. Vajrasana means you will have to fold both the legs from knee portion and keep both the foot together, touch the toes together, keep both the ankles besides to your waist and sit on the ankles. This is called Vajrasana. Siddhasana means you will have to take your left ankle nearer to the center point of your body. Then keep the right ankle on the left ankle and toes should be in between your thigh and leg muscles. Like this. This is called Siddhasana. In this pose also you can sit and practice pranayama. And if you can sit in Padmasana, will be the best one. Take your right leg, foot, keep on left thigh. Similarly, the left foot should be kept on right thigh. This is Padmasana. That pranayama, 5 pranayams are what I will tell you, which are to be practiced. First one is Bhastrika. To entire respiratory system will be strengthened, heart as well as lungs will become 100% healthy. That is Bhastrika. 2 minutes of Bhastrika is more than enough for you daily. Like this. Breathe in, breathe out. You will have to pay your attention towards breathing and breathe out. Like this. Breathe in, breathe out. Like this. This is to be practiced 2 minutes. If you're tired in between, you can take a little rest. Be in the same pose and simply pay your attention towards breathe in, breathe out. Close your eyes throughout the exercise of pranayama. Close your eyes. Pay your attention towards that breathe in, breathe out. So your entire body will become normal if you tired in between. Then you can continue the same pranayama. Second one is Kapalbhati. That is a pill for all diseases. Any damn disease will be controlled by practicing Kapalbhati. Even it also help you in increasing your height, as the bones will become 100% healthy. Muscles, bones, and your digestion system will become very healthy. Pancreas, liver, spleen, these also work with full swing. If you practice 5 minutes of Kapalbhati pranayama, daily you will have to pay your attention towards this Kapalbhati pranayama. I will say you how to practice. Simply you will have to pay your attention towards exhaling. Go on exhaling. You should not bother for inhaling. Why? Because when we exhale by applying a little force, automatically certain air will go in. That is suffice to throw another time. So we should go on exhaling, exhaling, exhaling. That's it. Simply like this. Like this. This is Kapalbhati pranayama. It even improves your entire body health. Every organ will become 100% healthy. Right from foot nail to head hair. The third one is Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. That is very good for entire ENT department. Means ear, nose, mouth. Not only that, any sort of headache will go away. And your brain will become very sharp. So you will become number 1 in the class. If you practice these pranayamas, Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom, exclusively, these two will help you in enhancing your brain power. Bhastrika, keep your both the lungs as well as heart healthy. So you won't have any cold, cough, fever, even throughout the future. If you practice daily 2 minutes Bhastrika, 5 minutes Kapalbhati, 5 minutes Anulom Vilom. That Anulom Vilom, third one, is to be practiced like this. Use your thumb as well as ring finger and middle finger. With thumb you will have to close your right nostril and breathe in through left. Like this. And close that left one with ring finger and middle finger. Release through right nostril. This is. Whenever through which you release the air, through that only you will have to inhale. If you keep this one in mind, you can practice Anulom Vilom very well. So this is the Anulom Vilom Pranayama. I will show you, and you will have to practice daily without fail, with empty stomach. Dawn time is the best. Morning, wake up at 5 o'clock is the best. And practice these 5 asanas as well as pranayamas. So, the Anulom Vilom Pranayama, you will have to practice like this. Like this. 5 minutes a day. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Now, 11 times you practice Bhramari as well as Udgit. Bhramari Pranayama means fourth one. Little finger, ring finger, middle finger, keep together like this and close your eyes with these 3 fingers, ensuring the middle finger points are placed at the joint of your nose as well as eyes. Like this, gently. Don't press hardly. Gently you keep. Close the eyes first. Gently close. Keep the fingers on those eyes. Then with point fingers, both the point fingers are to be kept on your forehead. And with thumbs, you will have to close your ears like this. Then close mouth, means lips to be together. And breathe in. Then you will have to spell Om. But you should not open your lips. Mouth should be closed. Lips to be closed. And spell Om with inner soul. Sorry. You'll have to spell out, but by closing the mouth. Om. At least 11 times a day. This is one time. It improves your brain power like anything. This one as well as Kapalbhati as well as this Udgit, which is going to be teach you. 4 pranayamas are also over. The 5th one, Omkar Udgit, that is also to be practiced at least 11 times a day. And you can enhance the time according to time permits you. So that Omkar is to be sit in the same pose, Padmasana, and keep your thumb as well as point finger tips together and keep both the palm on the knees. For practicing any pranayama even, sit in the same pose and keep both the wrists on respective knees. Close eyes, breathe in, spell Om. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Wish you all the best, my children. Practice daily without fail these 5 asanas as well as pranayamas. Thank you.